Introduction. Python is a powerful, versatile programming language used in a variety of applications. One key feature of Python is its robust error handling mechanism, particularly using the try block. Understanding Python's try block. The try block is a segment of Python code that allows developers to anticipate potential issues and handle exceptions gracefully. This feature prevents the entire program from crashing due to unhandled exceptions. Components of the try block. The try block consists of several components: try, except, else, and finally. Understanding each component aids in effectively leveraging Python's error handling capabilities. Try component. The try keyword encapsulates a block of code that may raise an exception. If an exception is raised within this block, the code execution immediately jumps to the matching except block. Except component. The except block defines how the program should respond when a specific exception is raised. One or more exception types can be specified after the except keyword, allowing customization of response to different kinds of exceptions. Else component. The else clause in a try block executes if no exception is raised in the try block. This is useful for code that should only run if there were no problems in the try block. Finally component. The finally block is optional and used to specify a cleanup action. Regardless of whether an exception was raised or not, the code inside the finally block will always be executed. This is particularly useful when you need to ensure the release of certain resources. Tips and tricks. Always handle only those exceptions that you can handle. Catching every exception can hide bugs. Use the else clause instead of adding additional code to the try clause to make clear which code might raise exceptions. Make use of the finally clause to ensure important cleanup actions are always performed. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Avoid catching all exceptions as it can make debugging difficult because it hides the cause of the error. Catch specific exceptions that you know how to handle and let the others propagate. Avoid having too much code in the try block, which can make it hard to identify where an exception is coming from. Keep your try blocks as small as possible. Conclusion. Python's try block is a powerful tool for handling exceptions, making your code more robust and resilient. Understanding how to use it effectively can lead to Python code that gracefully handles unexpected issues and is easier to debug and maintain.